everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this green makeup look. If you like it, please keep on watching. This makeup look does not include foundation, contouring, or fake eyelashes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I already applied my concealer, my moisturizer, and my under eye cream. And then I also applied the primer. I used Paint Pot in the color Painterly by MAC on my eyelids. And now I'm ready to start working on my eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be using different shades of green and then brown because I really like the brown color of the earth and the soil with green. It reminds me of nature, so I really love these colors mixed together. And I feel it's going to be less harsh than just using black and more beautiful in general. So I pick up with my fluffy brush some Silk Creme and another eyeshadow, MFEO. They're both different shades of brown and I really like them mixed together. And the combination of these two eyeshadows is more of an orangey brown color, which I like. I feel like it gives it more of a natural shadow. I feel that orangey eyeshadows for the transition color really complement the eyes because they give the eyes more of a natural and soft transition effect. And once you combine this orangey eyeshadow with the main color on the lid, it really complements it. Whether you use a light shade or a very dark shade, either way it's really good. I don't know why, but I feel that this orangey eyeshadow for transition color really goes with almost everything. Then I'm using Diva eyeshadow and I'm picking it up first with a brush. And as you see, the pigments don't really transfer to my lid. However, when I pick it up with my finger and I dab it on my lid, it picks up way better. And you can see much more pigment transferring to my eye from my finger to my eye. And to build the color, I apply it several times. And then to blend it really well, I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm blending the color in circular motion. And I keep applying and applying until the color gets built up and I'm satisfied with the intensity of the color. Then on the outer corner of my eyes, I'm using the color Enchanted, which is a darker green shade, and it's matte. I'm trying to blend it in towards the inner crease and just on the outer corner of my eye. I'm using the same colors under my eyes, using a pencil brush by MAC. And then I'm using the brush 224 by MAC to blend in the color very well. Feel free to use any clean fluffy brush. I'm trying to get my eyeshadows to look seamless, no harsh edges between the eyeshadows, just a seamless transition. And to make the Diva color pop on the center of my eyelids, I pick up even more with my finger and I dab it onto the center of my eyelid. And as you can see, the color pops way better. You can see much more shimmer. Then I'm using the NYX waterproof eyeliner in the color Aqua Green number 3. For my waterline, I place the pencil liner and then I close my eye and I gently trace it on my waterline. Then I pick up with my fluffy brush some chip eyeshadow and I apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. Then I use the same fluffy brush and I try to blend in the brown color. After that, I take another fluffy brush and I try to pick up the color Creamsicle, which is more of a yellowish orange eyeshadow, and I apply it on the outer part of my transition color. And as you can see, the eyeshadow has more of a smoky ombre effect now. It starts out with a yellowish orange color, then it seamlessly transitions into the brown, then the green. Then I pick up with a very small firm brush the color Beam, and I apply it on my tear duct and on my brow bone to make my eyes feel more awakened, and on my brow bone to give it more of a clean eyebrow effect. You can either apply it on the outer part of the eyebrow bone, or you can apply it from the beginning until the end. For my mascara, I'm using Lancome Grandiose. I can easily say this is my absolute favorite mascara. It doesn't give them a clumpy effect. It just lengthens them and gives them more of a natural lifted and curvy effect. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair. And to set my concealer and prevent it from creasing, I'm using Mercier translucent powder, and I'm brushing the powder on top of the concealer so that it doesn't crease and sets it in place. For my blush, I'm using Fleur Power by MAC, and I'm applying just a tiny bit because this is a very pigmented blush and it tends to be overpowering. For lipstick, I'm choosing between two colors, the colors Sin and Pink Plaid, both by MAC, and eventually I picked the color Sin. For my lip liner, initially I chose Auburn. When I applied the color Auburn, it turned out to be way lighter than I'd like it to be. So I went ahead and I used another lip liner by NYX in the color Espresso, which is much closer to the shade Sin from MAC, and I'm tracing my lips with it. If you're looking to make your lips look bigger, which is not something that I'm trying to do here, but if you want to make your lips look bigger, don't overline your lips at the corners. You can do that in the center only, but never in the outer corners. And now I'm contouring my lips by tracing these lines vertically. It gives them more of a crease and plump effect. Crease is where I'm applying the vertical lines, and the plump effect between these vertical lines. Then I'm using the Lip Prep and Prime by MAC to hydrate my lips and prime them so that they can retain the color for a much longer period. And the color applies much better when I have my Prep and Prime. For darker shades, sometimes you need a few layers to make the color really opaque and seamless. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your support and love and encouragement. I look forward to filming the next video for you. Stay safe and have a wonderful day. Mwah.